Đang đi câu cá. Con gì đây? Dính mà rồi. Mày xíu qua đây đi. Không biết cá gì thôi. Come on. Give me a sheepshead. Chạy không đúng sheepshead. No drum. It's okay. Like a sheepshead. Wow. Này drum nhiều ha. Give me your rod, Dave. I'll put this fish on for you. I forgot about it, but here, turn around. There you go. There you go. Black drum, good job. Mới mở hàng luôn á. First fish of the day. Wow. Come on. Oh man.
Oh my God, look at him.
What you got? That's a big drum. Oh, that's another. Khoan. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. Ooh, another black drum, man. Wow. Nice. Oh man. Man. What your? Can you tell me your secret, sir?
I have none.
Good job, man. You wanna hold it?
No.
There you go. Oh man, nice. Con thứ nhì rồi. Reel you up. Reel you up. There you go. There you go. Wow. Cá bự rồi. Con này bự á. Oh man. Oh man. Con này bự á. Còn cái gì đây? Hopefully redfish or sheephead đi. Oh, that's a big old. That's a big old man. Black drum, man. Wow.
Yeah, that's a big drum.
Oh my God. Rồi.
So a netter?
Cầm này kìa. Oh my
Man, he got a
God.
big one.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
I think I beat yours, Louis.
Man, that's about
That's a fat
6-7 pounds.
Oh yeah, it's a fat boy. I picked it out in 2 hands.
Ê, con này là hấp ra ăn cả nhà này nè.
Kỳ này không dám giật nữa.
Giật nó sảy nãy hả? Không giật nữa hả?
Is that how you hold them by the eye?
Yeah, that's how you do it. All fish.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to stick in the portrait.
Oh man, what did you got now?
I don't know.
Dính cá gì nữa đây?
Oh, same one?
Oh yeah, good size. Mấy con cá này ăn ngon lắm. Size này ăn ngon lắm. Good job, man.
Another one?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
You in your spot.
Okay.
Thôi để nó gỡ trong này cho nó nhanh luôn đi. Bring over here. Bring your pole over here. Man, look at this cooler. Oh yeah, we're doing good. Wow. Oh man, look like it's a good fish. Yeah. Nice. Woo. I think you got the smallest fish
Yeah,
though.
mine's small.
No, those are good size to eat though. Cá vậy ăn ngon rồi. Yeah. Con này mà bự quá là warm không à. Con này bự hơn con nãy á. Might be a bigger one.
Yeah, that was a chunky one.
Yeah.
Chunky one.
Oh wow. Yeah, nice. Oh, bring it over this side. Put it in the cooler. You got it? Man, she's killing it.
Oh, me too. I need to beat Huey. I can't.
She know where to
let him
fish
beat
now.
me. I got 2 right there.
I think he scraped it.
Man. Lost it. Dính mà rồi. Cái gì đây? Oh, man, see what it is. Oh. Oh, it's a good one too. Wow, cái gì đây? No. Run like a drum too. Yep. Another drum. Thêm con sụ đen nữa. Wow, con này cũng bự á. This side á. Mập quá trời ha. And nó quá trời trắng luôn à. There you go.
Yeah, just the right size.
Yeah, that's about 14.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job.
They like to piss.
I didn't even know you got a fish. You reel up so fast. Oh yeah, your first fish. Yeah. The first time you got a baby one too.
Huh?
Oh my God.
You little. Little people catching little fish. What you think?
Ơi. Con này nhỏ hay sao á. Cũng mạnh á. Oh man. I don't think so. Chạy giống drum quá. Nhưng mà mình dùng cua không à. Con drum rồi. Oh yeah. Yeah, drum. Wow. Trúng ổ rồi. Trúng ổ của nó rồi. Còn honey hole rồi. Wow. Nice. Wow. Wow. Một cooler luôn rồi. Mày hả mày? Oh yeah, come on, get out of there. Wow. Oh yeah, that's a big one. I don't know, I hope so, but run like a drum. Run in circle, you know. Wow, thêm một con drum bự nữa rồi. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's a big boy. Wow. Down. Wow. Crab, they like crab. They last longer than the shrimp. Wow. Mùi cua nó ăn cũng dữ lắm á. Wow, mập quá trời luôn à. Wow. I think I beat y'all now.
Sheepshead đây nhiều mà không hiểu sao nó không ăn thôi đấy.
Mẹ mấy con drum này nó nhiều quá, nó ăn trước hay sao á. Wow, missed it. Wow. Did you get a crab? That one probably.
Damn, you done ripped the damn head off the damn crab.
You don't need a claw. Here.
Because it's hard to get through that. So you rip
Where am I? Small one. Not running. Con này ok. Oh yeah. Woo.
You off the water or you all the way down the bottom?
It touched it touched the bottom and then I reel up. Hopefully sheephead. Let's see what it is. Wow, big drum. Nice. It's a good size.
Yeah.
Real good size. That's a big crab I gave you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good
Stop
size.
eating
Very good
today.
size. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Wow.
It's
Look
pretty.
at that.
It's perfect.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a big sheephead right there.
Sheephead is rare today. Wow. Cooler nè. Nhâm đem cái cooler này đúng rồi đó.
For real.
Stupid. Man. Come on out. Oh, I lost it. Oh, man. Let's see what's eating. Something's eating. Oh. Man. Took my crab. Cái gì ạ? Oh, sheephead kìa. Oh, nice. Cuối cùng dính con sheephead rồi ha. So what? Con này cũng ok mà. Đủ size rồi. Lấy em lấy cho. Con nó con nó khó gỡ luôn á. Wow. Wow, ok. Đây. You do?
Got your fish.
Yeah, that's my fish.
You got a big one.
Ooh, let me see what you got. Just lost mine. Oh, big sheephead. Oh my God.
Oh,
Damn, look at that. See, I told you.
Nice.
That's why I said get it on.
Woo. Big sheephead. Wow.
Yeah, it's bigger than my other one.
Yeah, it's about the same size. Wow.
I casted it right over there where we scraped.
Nice.
Good side.
I want to hold it.
Come on. Come on up. Come on. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Ooh, man.
I don't know, man. It's not that big.
He got a big one.
I don't know. Small one. Man, there's a drum again. Where's my sheephead at?
No, I know that. It's small one.
Oh.
Yeah, we got a lot.
Wow.
Now,
Went to the canal.
Woo. We at the water.
yeah, we're in the
Dude.
water. We're in none yet.
Wow, con nó bự á.
Yeah.
Bigger than my hand. Yeah, a lot.
Wow. Let me see this fish. Wow. Wow, this is a strong one too. Oh, no, here, you caught it.
They live strip a lot.
It's a big fish.
Bigger one.
You got it. Set it up. Got it. Get it
Here we
out.
go one. Here we go one.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Huey.
Coi con gì vậy?
What'd you get, Huey?
I don't know.
Man, look like it.
Real. Get it in the boat.
You
Get
got-
it in the boat.
Oh,
get it in
sheephead.
the boat.
Oh, nice.
Get it in the boat.
Oh. Yeah,
That's
you
his
got-
first.
Yeah,
That's
get
the
that,
sheephead.
Huey. Let me see your phone. Let me take a
First
picture.
sheephead.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, sheephead for him.
Nice.
Oh no, I got one more.
No, it's back. There you go.
Man.
Big ass
Oh,
sheephead.
this one's heavy.
Oh man, you let him swallow. Nó nuốt luôn rồi. Wow.
The bathroom was swollen.
What?
Oh,
Oh, get out of the way. Oh man, big one. Oh man. Wow, gì vậy? Oh, Ly. Kéo lên. Oh my, con này trúng rồi con.
Don't lose it. Keep it
Oh
tight.
man.
Keep the line tight.
Oh, I got hung rồi. Oh man. Oh, ra. But I think you lost the fish too. Oh man, uổng vậy? Oh, come on out. Oh, vướng trong đó rồi. Ra rồi. Oh yeah. Why am I catching all the drum? Oh, look at your sheephead. That's a nice sheephead.
Yeah.
I want to see your dad's sheephead, man. He lost that big one.
Yeah.
Oh man, let me see that one. Oh, you got it out?
No.
Nó đau quá rồi.
Post on Snapchat real quick.
Man.
I know my friend's the other. Hugh.
Yeah, Hugh.
Last time we went, he didn't catch
Yeah,
nothing.
yeah, call Hugh.
Good fish.
Yeah, it's legal.
Yeah.
Aw, baby
Got to throw it back,
sheephead.
but you can take a picture though.
Yeah. Con này không đủ đâu. Con này phải thả lại đấy.
Okay.
Nhỏ quá. Ừ. But good job, man.
But that's his.
What you got, sheephead? Ooh, what you got? Wow. Oh, she don't even give this fish a chance. Wow, big old drum. Wow. Then what?
That's a big, pretty drum.
Wow.
It's a pretty looking drum.
Yeah, it's like white.
And water is cold, that's why. Let's swallow it. You got sheephead? Wow. Nice. There you go. Man, that's a nice one,
Yeah.
David.
See that?
That's the third sheephead of the day. Man,
Don't worry, me and Lila catch the sheep.
I know, it's right
Look at
here.
the spot. It's on the. They're on the.
Howling.
Yeah.
Man.
Are you bleeding?
No, it's the
Oh.
fish. There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, no, good job.
They can crab right there. Yeah, that's
Your bait on too?
That was it. Let it back out. Let him eat it. Let him eat it. Let him eat it. He's eating it. He's eating it. He's eating it. Hooks it.
Oh man, look at him. The big old crab he got for me. Hey, don't let it take the barnacles real sharp. Let it drag out a little bit. Drag a little bit too loose. Oh, the drum right. Big drum. Wow. Big drum.
No, that's a big one.
Good side though.
That's a big ass one.
It's not bad. Bring it to this side. Good job. Wow. Con này good á.
Step on this one.
Put it in the cooler too.
Cooler?
Yeah. I'll open it. Put it in the cooler. You found? No, you got it.
No, I didn't.
Wow.
It's wrapped around the fin.
Oh, no, she got it. She got it.
Good job. Why you got the only one got the sheephead?
I'm getting right there by the yeah.
Hold
That's a
on.
huge one. I think that's the biggest one I ever caught.
What you use, crab?
Yeah.
Man, they got tangled.
He was swimming around in the water. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah. Ok, wow. Bự quá chứ. Bự nhất hôm nay rồi. Wow. Man. Cũng có đó mà ít hơn con drum thôi. Cái này màu cua. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, hope so. Let me see what it is. Oh no, there's a drum too. Oh, that's a sheephead. Khác con drum không à. It's all drum day, man. Hey, at least I say I caught a fish and someone else on the boat hadn't caught one yet. I ain't got skunked yet. I finally got my fish. Rồi, sảy rồi. Woo! You got the last one. Wow, 2 con sheephead đây luôn. Here, bring it here. Ăn cỡ con của anh đi. Oh man. Đây nè.
That one's not full.
Here. Cầm ngay đây nè. Okay. Like this.
Okay. One more right here somewhere. No, it's here. Come on.
Con này không được giữ đâu. Con này cỡ 10 nè.
They will be fun down.
Oh man, con này mấy con rồi? 3 con sheephead rồi hả?
Mình á hả?
Ừ.
Hôm nay hả? 3 con là được một con gì rồi, con chom.
Con drum bự nhất nữa chứ.
Ừ.
Cứng dữ vậy trời.
Nó thầu lát cho nó cười coi. Thầu lát cho nó cười cho nó hám vậy ra. Hám nó dễ.
Thả tay ra. Thả tay đi. Thử ra.
Ê, chắc hôm nay mình câu được cá nhiều tại mình dùng cái câu.
Có 2 cá ở đây nữa. Cá này lớn quá ai câu vậy ta? Chắc con này câu rồi phá cá lớn dữ vậy trời. Con này. Trời ơi. Chạy máu quá trời luôn rồi. Wow, con nửa cooler rồi nè. Not bad. Nhiều cá quá trời rồi. Hello các bạn, thì hôm nay mình đi câu với anh Nhâm, tàu của ảnh. Thì hôm nay mình câu được nhiều cá sủ đen ăn rất ngon và cá hanh nha các bạn. Cái này là lấy cái phần của mình thôi, thì mình chia làm 4, thì cái phần này là của mình. Cá này ăn rất ngon nha, không có thua gì cá hanh đây. Đó, đây là cá hanh, nó nhìn giống nhau mà nó khác nha các bạn. Cá hanh thì nó tròn hơn, còn cá sủ đen thì nó dài hơn, với lại nó không có cái răng như răng người như là cá hanh nha các bạn. Ok, bây giờ thì mình không có nhiều thời gian cho nên mình chỉ chiên vô ăn cơm thôi. Ok các bạn, cảm ơn các bạn đã đón xem và nhớ đăng ký và like và share nha các bạn. Chúc các bạn một ngày vui vẻ.